It's turkey time. M&S have an incredible range of turkeys, and I've got 3 delicious recipes to use up all of those leftovers. Mega melty turkey enchiladas. We're going to get started with a spicy tomato sauce that'll cover our enchiladas. Cook with M&S fajita mix, then add some passata. In we go with our turkey. We've just shredded that up. And all that's left to do is just to roll them up. Christmas jokes. What is the most musical part of a turkey? The drumstick. Mega melty turkey enchiladas, honestly, a brilliant way to use up those turkey leftovers. All I can say is, you've got to try that.